Hello guys, welcome to miniOrange. Do you know about JWT Authentication Method? In this video we are going to show you what is JWT Authentication Method using token key for WordPress REST APIs and how we can set up it using the Postman tool. So let's get started. JWT Authentication Method involves the WordPress REST API's access on validation against the JSON Web Token. Created using the user's WP login credentials, the JWT token is validated for each API request and then the API is allowed to be accessed accordingly. Let's take an example. Suppose you have a mobile, web application and want to allow access to the WordPress REST API endpoints, based on the user capabilities, such that only users with that particular capability should perform create, update operations while users with other roles can only view that. How we can achieve this? Here is the user flow for how JWT authentication with bearer token works with the miniOrange plugin. As in the first point, the WordPress REST API request is made with all the required parameters to obtain the JWT token. In the second step, the JWT token key is obtained and the valid response is made further. Now, the actual WordPress REST API request to access the resource, data or to perform operations with the WordPress database is made with the JWT token obtained in the last step as passed in the authorization header. At last, if the validation or authentication is successful, then the API requester will be provided with the resource, else an error response will be returned. Let's install miniOrange REST API Authentication plugin. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins tab. Click on Add New. Search for a WordPress REST API Authentication plugin in the search box. And click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. Now you can see the WordPress REST API Authentication plugin is activated successfully. Go to the miniOrange REST API Authentication plugin. Select the JWT Authentication Method and click on Save Configuration. Click on the Postman Samples tab. Now hover on the JWT Authentication Method and select the token. Click on the Download button. When you click on Download, the JSON file will be auto-downloaded. We need to import this JSON file in the Postman tool. So let's go to the Postman tool. Now, click on the Import option. Click on the Choose File button. Select the JSON file which you have downloaded earlier. Your file is imported successfully. Once you import the JSON file, go to the Collections tab and click on the REST API request. Here, you can see the post method, and the request URL. Replace the base URL with your WordPress domain. Now, go to the Body tab. Here we have to specify username and password. Enter your WordPress user credentials and click on Send Request button. After send the request, you can see we received the JWT token successfully. Copy the JWT token obtained from response. It will be used in the resource API requests to authenticate. Go to the Postman tab in the REST API plugin and download the resource file under the JWT Authentication Method. Now, go to the Import tab and select the resource file we downloaded earlier. Once you import the JSON file, go to the Collections tab and click on the REST API request. Replace the base URL with your WordPress domain. Now, under the Headers section, paste the JWT token we obtained from the response after the token request. Click on Send button. In the Body section you can see we received successfully response here. Now, if you want to import code in your own language, just click on the code link and here you can see the different languages, just copy it and import. Thank you for watching this video. For any other questions, drop us a query on info@securify.com.